*** protein powder for women. Achieve your health goals fast. *** by the end of the video, you will know about how protein powder can accelerate your journey to achieving optimal health and fitness goals. Protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders, it's a versatile supplement that can benefit women in various aspects of their fitness routines. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it crucial for women who engage in resistance training or high-intensity workouts. Supplementing with protein powder helps ensure that your muscles receive an adequate amount of protein to recover effectively and become stronger over time. Additionally, protein powder can support weight management goals by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This can be particularly beneficial for women looking to maintain a healthy weight or even lose fat while preserving lean muscle mass. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Choosing the right protein powder is essential. Options like whey, soy, pea, and collagen protein offer different benefits, catering to individual dietary preferences and needs. For instance, whey protein is quickly absorbed and ideal for post-workout recovery, while plant-based options like pea protein are suitable for vegans or those with lactose intolerance. Integrating protein powder into your diet is easy. It can be blended into smoothies, mixed with yogurt, or added to baking recipes for a nutritious boost. This versatility makes it convenient for busy schedules without compromising on nutritional intake. In conclusion, protein powder is a valuable tool for women striving to achieve their health and fitness goals efficiently. Whether you're looking to build muscle, recover faster from workouts, or maintain a balanced diet, protein powder can support you every step of the way. Embrace its benefits and enjoy the positive impact it brings to your wellness journey.